many families, including the people sitting in this room, if they have children and they're working, by getting more people into the workforce.
All right, traders, what's up? I'm sorry, I just was showing you a little clip of what I was just watching. And I'm just in awe every time I hear him speak. I honestly think he got more than 81 million votes. I think the Republicans stole a bunch of votes because, I mean, that is the sharpest, best president this country's ever had. I mean, bar none. And I almost can't talk. I'm just in awe after hearing him speak. But I'm going to try to get it together. I'm going to try to talk about stocks. So here we go. The SPY, another kind of ugly day, but it is nearing support. We have this, let's see, 450 area, which it bounced off of here, and pretty much here. And we're down, straight down like 4 or 5 days in a row to that area, which is pretty good recipe for a snapback bounce. Also, this same area was resistance back here. So anyway, we could catch a bounce tomorrow. I don't much care because I'm a day trader, but still, it's worth noting that the market is kind of overdue for a bounce. What am I watching to possibly trade tomorrow? Remember, I'm in cash every night. So DWAC, nice breakout yesterday, gave a lot of that back today, but it needed to come in. So I am going to put it on watch for tomorrow. We'll see if we get an A+ setup. This one feels a little weird, but MTTR has fallen, 5 days in a row now. The biggest volume going back this far, the biggest volume ever was today. So we might, and we're down pretty close to where it bounced off of back here, pretty close to its all-time low. So a decent setup for a potential bounce tomorrow. But as you guys know, I'm only going to take a trade if I get an A+ setup. RIVN, came public back here on November 10th, took off, and then has been bleeding ever since. We're looking at like 4 days in a row down now, hitting, hitting new all-time lows. So I'm certainly going to watch that for a potential bounce too. BCRX, very, very strong move here. Now we're 4 or 5 days in a row down, sitting in that buy zone. You guys know what I look for on bounce plays, so if I get a setup, I'll try it. SBEV, a little bit of a weird chart because you had the big rip, then the gap down an inside day, then a gap up, but sold off all day. But it has been having nice news lately, so I am going to put it on a chart. VINE gapped up today, but closed about where it opened. Never took a trade in it today, but I'm going to put it right back on a chart for tomorrow. STRN, nice relative strength today. So we're going to see if it gives a setup tomorrow, but I'm not in love with that one. BBIG, really strong 4-day move. And now we've got only 1 day down so far. I'd like to see another down day, but it doesn't cost me anything to put it on a chart. If nothing else, it's a recent high flyer, so I will put it on a chart. FREY, nice volume today and a pretty strong close. Maybe about 30 cents off its highs, but in a weak tape, it was strong, so we're going to watch it tomorrow. GMDA, big volume, big volume, strong close. We're going to watch that one tomorrow. Same thing with VVOS, over 100 million traded, closing well off its highs, though. And then lastly, I'm going to put DATS on watch. Had the big rip yesterday, kind of a quiet inside day today. We'll see if we get a 3rd day play tomorrow. And that's it. I'm done babbling. We'll see you guys in the chat room in the morning.